Hopefully. Do you want
He's too fat for his legs.
And you don't mind going on YouTube, right? If I do that. Do you want to go closer to him? I love the plumage.
I know this is about it.
I love his stride. He's got a wise profile.
Oh, look at that. There you go. He's giving you a profile now.
Thank you, darling.
A natural profile.
You are so gorgeous. And we're so lucky to be so close to you. Thank you. Hey?
Don't come any closer or I'll peck your eyes out.
Look at the beautiful patterns on his back.
Yeah, I know. It's incredible, aren't they?
He's walking with us, David.
Yep. Walking with dinosaurs or something.
So special. And can you see the transparency of his nostrils?
Yeah. Got something caught on your leg, mate.
Oh, this is so precious, David.
It's on his leg, look.
Yeah, he doesn't seem to feel it. Or if he does, he's more concerned about connecting to his need to escape if he should need it.
Yep. There we go.
It's incredible. We walked a lot together, you know, at least 20 meters.
Oh,
Hello.
he just crapped.
Did he?
See that? Yeah.
The camera must have. I didn't quite notice because I'm just so happy that he's still with us. He's got the coloring of koalas on his head.
Yeah. Are you videoing?
Yeah, I've been videoing non-stop. It started with you and him, or her, I don't know the sex.
Yeah, I think.
Oh,
Oh, look at that.
and you're even confident enough to eat in front of us. You are so sweet. So sweet.
I think both sexes are the same colour in the fur.
Are they?
I don't think there's any difference.
See, if there was harmony, most animals wouldn't fear man, you know? I remember going to some very pristine islands in Tuscany off the coast, and all these birds were following this little minivan, and the grass was very tall and there were wildflowers, and it was just absolutely magic.
Look at the colour of the cuttlefish.
Oh wow. Oh, do you want to hold it?
No.
No, I was going to video it. I'm still videoing, it's still the same video. I am so grateful to this bird and to whatever beautiful energy is with us at the moment, because this experience for me is unprecedented.
So he would only be at the closest, probably about 3.5 metres from us.
Yeah. He's probably curious, you know, like we are about him. Or he's so used to people, you know, maybe.
When he gets to the end of the beach. That'll be interesting.
I think this warrants a video just with him, you know, a short video just with him and the dialogue and the waves and not any music, because this is poetry enough by itself. Bye bye, darling. Thank you for this experience. Wow.